my name is Sporck, and I am a food photographer and food stylist here in Los Angeles, and I'm here today with the Desire Company. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to use and store edible flowers. Edible flowers are something that I love to add to my food styling because they are really colorful and they come in all different creative shapes and sizes. I have here some beautiful edible pansies, and you can see that they're all these beautiful colors. And then I have some smaller micro orchard flowers. You just have to make sure that you store them right away in the fridge. And I do like to take them out of these clamshells because it's better to keep them in an airtight container such as this Tupperware, which I usually will line it with a damp paper towel like this. And then you just put it on the bottom like so. And the damp paper towel, it helps with creating humidity in the container so the petals don't wilt as quickly. So then you just have to be really careful with them, and you can just line the container with the edible flowers like so. And usually I would use a bigger container for bigger flowers like these, but this one will work just great for now. So you put the lid on, and then you can put them in the fridge. And usually they can last up to a week, sometimes longer. It depends on the flower. My favorites, I love using these for like salads or smoothie bowls, that sort of thing. And my other favorites are like chive blossoms, cilantro blossoms. There's so many different varieties, and it's a really great, fun way to get creative.